guys, what's up? It's Ice Blaze right here for the first video. So my name is Ice Blaze, well, slash MJ. My name is not really Ice Blaze, but that's my regular name, yeah. Well, that's my YouTube name, but slash MJ is MJ's my name. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing for some video today, we're gonna be recording 2 videos in one night. So basically what we're gonna be doing is watching Zero Funny Tales, so let's do it.
This is because because when it's when we have a client, the top. Listen, let me tell you why this is that. Whenever Sean have a client, regardless who he is, he always admit that you have a client, and I can come by another time. You know, because in home and business, in five.
Oh my god.
In friends.
Oh god, that must be painful. That must be
so
painful.
me understand say you would want him to come over, but him not say that, and you never tell him to come over. You could have told me to come. No, me.
Oh.
You're wrong. If you want to come by, you can invite me or you can call me to tell me to come by. Yeah, but you know me number, you can call me if you hear me talk to him. As him call me, I'm a return call. He called me, I'm a return call to him. Because I missed the call from him. I'm in a sleep. The sleep, I wake up and realize I missed the call from him, so I call him back. Yes. Let me tell her, say, I'm an awesome house. Let me tell her, say, people say, one of the best. We tell her before, because I'm going in the house to walk upstairs, down, and everything. Even when I do the basement, I'm over there helping turn down somebody, drywall and all that thing.
Whoa!
Exactly what the house is, upstairs, downstairs, and everywhere. So we know it's a great house. But we never know, say, because we never know you're not interested, because we know it's expensive and all that. So we know you're not interested. But something where you like it and you don't take it. So that's good. Congratulations. But the thing is, I would come by if him did say, come by and call Father Day here. He would have come. He would have said something to me and he would really want to go out and live because I know when he not be inclined to like people come over. If he did mention that to me, or if you hear him talk to you, you can ask him or tell him, say, make Michael come over. You know? But I don't really want to invite myself in that kind of way. Because of business, you have to respect other people's business. Of course, you tell me, say, I said, listen, you tell me, we talk as friend. You tell me, say, you call me yesterday, I come back from New Brunswick. Me call him, and he tell me, say, he find house in New Brunswick, and he's so moved. And then he tell me, say, and then, yeah, he tell me, say, he call them, tell me, say, he get approved on the deed, on the festival. He call them, tell me, say, why they use something the next year, I'm going to move. Because he might be building a Woodstock, now we'll move right away, but we'll move, because you must sell the house. I think they will tell me, you must sell the house.
So, one more guys until we go and do some jailbreak stuff or something. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is all about. I don't know what this is. I don't even know if this is a funny film or whatever, but let's just watch it. That was weird. It's not like a funny film or anything. Oh my god. So we'll just watch something, one more thing. Okay, here's a funny anime. It even says funny animation, so I'm guessing it's a funny animation.
That sounds good. Very good.
Wow. Okay guys, that will do it for now. After we're just gonna do some jailbreak stuff. That will do it for now. Thank you guys for watching so much. It was a pleasure being here with you guys. If you guys like this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications like always, so you never miss another video. So I guess that's it. So peace out, I guess. I'm just kidding. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye.